G'day guys, in today's video we'll be upgrading the 35s that were on the comp truck to these 37s that I've just gotten off Facebook Marketplace. Got a set of 5 of them for $800 something, around about there. They're in good nick, second hand obviously, but better than what were on it. We've had some wicked storms and all that lately, so we've been struggling to actually put these on. As you can see, I've got a few more over there. We've got one in process right now, but we'll have to see if we can get much more of that done. So yeah, hopefully in today's video you guys will be able to watch us struggle putting all these on. See you there. This is empty now, so we'll move on to doing the time lapse. So we're removing all, what it's like 42 bolts or something. Yeah, I'm gonna pull the tire off the bed. This is always a pain in the butt. Need 2 tire pry bar thingies, tire levers. Pretty much just work your way around the whole way. We start with this flat end, just working our way in, trying to get it down, and that side comes into actually lift in underneath it to get it off. You'll watch this struggle though. Best way I find, put it down, push it in a little bit, down. As you come up, push it in. As you come up, push it in, and you get right down to the back. From here, every now and then, I'll just chuck my leg over it to get the next one in, or you ask your helpers. There we go, that's already off the bead there. Biggest thing we realised with it, we struggled, took us like 2 days to get the first one off. Have someone stand on the rim. That downward pressure is what you're fighting the whole time. But there we go. Thank you, Jack. So now comes the fun part, getting this out. This is a bit of beating the panels all out. I've justified these tyres are lost. I don't care if we ruin them or not. If we don't ruin them, then we've got an extra set of tyres. You need a time machine.
Pretty hard, huh?
Just a little.
Be a lot better for the back as well.
Alright. Yeet that one.
Nice part.
That's on, that's off. Pulling the valve stems in and out of tyres for needing to pull them on and off. So a tyre deflator like this that has that part there on it, you can pull out and put in valve stems pretty easily with them. all you do, screw on the main part as you would. And with this part here, so all this part here does when you unscrew that a couple times, pull out, that actually unscrews the valve stem, but keeps it all in that chamber sealed there so that it doesn't just shoot out. You just keep unscrewing it all the way, then pull that off, and then pull it out so that we keep the valve stems. Putting it back in, same thing. I like to kind of feed it in to the actual valve stem, already pretty much on it, because then you know it's lined up. Start screwing that in. You feel it get tight once it's rather finger tight. Start backing that out. There you go, reinstalled valve stem. So right now we're trying to get it on the bead. We don't have an air cannon or anything like that. We do have a little air compressor though. We did the rim up, now we're trying to get the back on. So my general setup for this is tire attached to one hole, and then the rim on 2 different points, pull it evenly to another pump. Yeah, we're trying to beat the rain.
So we're not really beating and straining.
Yeah, no. Our main goal is to watch this bead here. Let's try and reset it. A bit better. Let's see how that works. So all we're trying to do is make a bit of a seal around. Gonna get a bit loud. Car's moving.
That was a bit of a fail.
Now we've got to check the seal. I did have to beat the out of this side here. Bottle of soapy water around the edges to see how many little bits of headache you got. Spray bottles do work better. So that seal there is good. We did have a leak there, yeah. 30 psi, and there's nothing coming out. Now with bead lockers, next one you got to do is this rim here. And if you've got yourself a set of weld your own bead lockers, you'll also need to do the seam where the bead locker actually meets the rim. Exactly the same premise. All you do with this one is, if I can aim it right, which I really can't. Thought I'd seen something there, but doesn't look like it. Every now and then, the bubbles are going to build up in one spot. Don't be scared to go over and double check. Every time I stopped there, it looked like there was a bit of a leak. Sit there and double check it once or twice. But it's sealed, so it works.